I'm Michael Klaasen and responsible for business and information services. That is part of MCB International. MCB is a holding company with operating companies in 3 countries, the Netherlands, Belgium and Germany. They are mainly wholesalers in metal and service centres in metal. The most important business drivers to migrate to the cloud were twofold. The first was the wish of the business to guarantee availability and a delivery time within 24 hours, 6 days a week. To make that happen, you can choose to either greatly expand your IT department or go to the cloud. The second business driver was scalability, which is much easier to implement in a cloud environment than in an own data center with a fixed capacity. At the end of 2017, we had to decide, are we going to renew our data center or to migrate to the cloud? One of the biggest issues was to analyze the many cloud solutions available. We have been supported in this by external parties to guarantee as much objectivity as possible. Another important issue was to maintain our employees' trust. For many people, migrating to the cloud, it's a big unknown on the business side, so we made sure to involve them in our choice and guarantee quality. We have deliberately split the process into 3 phases. The first step was to migrate SAP to the private cloud. We then migrated our web environment to the public cloud. And now, in the third phase, we are migrating all other systems to the public cloud. We consciously do this in 3 steps to reduce risks and to keep projects individually manageable. We as an IT organization have initiated a major change with the migration to the cloud, from an organization that did everything itself to an organization that must manage a number of suppliers. We do this together with our colleagues to support that change in their work. In addition, as an IT organization, we have been building new capabilities such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. We not only get to know the new technology, but also look at how we can use it as MCB. For the migration of SAP to the private cloud, we have asked MyBrand to support us. They also do the technical management of our SAP environment. And we have developed a project plan with MyBrand to support the migration step by step. For the public cloud, we are supported by T-Systems. Together with them, we examine each application, whether it can be migrated to the cloud and how you can best organize support. It is important for us to also involve the business in the migration to the cloud. We do this by involving the key users in the early stages of system testing so that they know that the application works just as well in the new situation.